Food needs to look beautiful in the bowl, on the plate, and then I guess my creative spirit wanted everything to be beautiful as well, to sell people the dream. I love the styling, I love the creative process behind every book, every magazine. Magazine can be a little bit more flippant, a little bit more creative, a little bit more arty, whereas books I think need to be a little bit more classic. When you write recipes, you naturally become a perfectionist if you want them to work and if you want people's trust that they're going to pick up one of your recipes, follow it, it works, it looks great, looks like the photo. Then we've dabbled in homewares. I have baking range in the supermarkets, little bits and pieces that we just wanted to have fun with. It was a huge struggle for me. I was quite happy to sit behind my brand and be the person just working away as the little stylist, but that was a real game changer, coming in front of the camera and learning not to be so shy and yeah. Horrible times when you first do it. I haven't got sad yet. I'm really excited and really proud of what we achieved. I love the website, I love working in digital, I love the clarity of the pictures and the crispness that you get on digital, but I'm still a big lover of paper, so I'm torn between the two, and let's face it, what I do next has to be amazing.